Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be battling CRF and Prodigy, so let's get into the battle. Okay, so we are in the battle. And he does go with Small Dash as his first pet, as I was thinking he would do. Actually, no, that was PG Pro Gamer that said that. It's kind of surprising that he got it right. And that means that we are going to lose, actually. Because he's just going to go for sheer power. Honestly, I think this will end up in a draw, actually. Because he'll probably go Pterosaur as his next one. And Char against Pterosaur. Char should win that, giving me an upper hand in that battle. So, yeah. Let's just see how it goes. Okay, yeah, so he is just going with an insane amount of power right now. Okay, so we'll go with this. Luckily, we got first grade math, or I would definitely think that I'm going to lose. But, yeah, right now we just kind of gotta... Okay, so... Yeah, I'm kind of cold right now. Not sure why I said that, but yeah. Char is what we're going to go with, and hopefully he pulls out Pterosaur. Okay, that was a good move on me, though. Okay, so 72 is the answer. Sorry if I sound kind of bad, because, yeah. I'm cold. Okay, that was very powerful, and we already took out his Pterosaur. This is looking pretty good for us right now, guys, but let's not get too cocky. We still gotta pull out this battle. But that was some very good power that we just saw from Pterosaur. And sorry if you got to hear Discord pings in the background. Okay, let's go with Volcanon now, because Volcanon. So that's 86, 90, 93. And there might be a little background noise because I'm also sitting with my dogs. Wow, that was a very powerful attack. But we do just as much damage. Actually, I think we might have this one about locked up. Or it will end up in a draw. Because we just gotta see how much health Mayhem has left. Yeah, this one's gonna end up in a draw unless he gets his question wrong, which I doubt he will, because he's also on first grade math. Okay. So we get the question right, and you might be able to hear my dog in the background, I'm not sure. But, okay, so he took out my pet. Now we just have to hope that Mayhem can do over 5,000 damage here. And he does 6,480. That's insane. So yeah, it's just gonna end up in a draw. That's kind of a fun way. I mean, most wizard battles are going to end up in a draw. And yeah. So I got a hell CRF to battle. This guy, his name is PT Pro Gamer. Go subscribe to him and be right back. Okay, so now that they are battling, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Subscribe to CRF, PG Pro, all of that, and I will see you guys in the next video.